The Eagle 10,000 Plus will need the first oil change, not including the filter, at the 10-hour mark. After that, an oil and oil filter change should be done every 100 hours of use. Start by draining the oil when the engine is warm. This assures rapid and complete draining. Remove and discard the oil filter. Clean the filter mounting base. And coat the gasket of the new filter with clean engine oil. Screw on the new oil filter by hand until the gasket contacts the filter mounting base. Refill the crankcase with the recommended amount of 10W30 oil. For ease of adding oil, a flexible neck funnel is the best way. Reinstall the oil filter cap and make sure to tighten securely. Start the engine and check for oil filter leaks. Stop the engine and check the oil level. If necessary, add oil to the upper limit mark on the dipstick with the recommended oil and tighten the oil filter cap securely. Now you are ready to weld, but before you strike an arc, make sure you read the instruction manual entirely and are following all safety protocols, including wearing a helmet, safety glasses, welding gloves, and welding apparel.